Hey, welcome you to our first series on basics of IPR. Today, in our third lecture, we'll be learning regarding patents. So let us see the topics that we'll be discussing today. First, the definition of patent. Then, we'll be looking into what patent actually secures. The types of patents. Can patent be filed on modifications? Illustrations of simple patents. Illustrations of complex patents. Who can actually apply for a patent? And last, we'll be seeing the points that we need to remember. So let's start. What is patent? As per the legal definition, it states that it is a right granted to an inventor by the government that permits the inventor to exclude others from making, selling, or using the invention for a predefined period of time. But I like this definition better because it states that it is an exclusive right to a product or a process that generally provides a new way of doing something or offers a new technical solution to a problem for a limited period of time in exchange for a detailed public disclosure of the invention. So, what does patent help you to secure? See, if you have a concept, say, or a theoretical idea which you can explain theoretically, you do not need a prototype of it. Or suppose you have invented a process of doing something, you can file a patent on it. In addition to it, if you have designed a complete machinery, say, or just a design of a product or a biological modification, patent still helps you to secure it. If there is a plant variety that has been invented, all the plants existing on this earth cannot be patented. But if modification is made to the variety, say hybridization, you can apply for a patent on it. Any chemical equation, chemical new liquid can be patented, and even a prototype design can be applied for a patent. Now, I know there is a lot of things to gulp in, so let's break it down for simplicity. Let's take design patent for instance. What does design patent help you to secure? Suppose you have just created a structure of an instrument. Like here, you can see if you have designed a shape of a bottle, only the shape of the bottle, or maybe shape of a car, or more simple object like shape of a nib. If you have only changed the structure of a product, you can apply for a design patent. Here, no mechanism, no process or procedure needs to be defined. Do you know there are more than 3,000 patents applied only for the design structure of a chair? You just used to sit on it, right? But still, there are more than 3,000 designs of chair which has been applied and secured using patent. Now we'll talk about utility patent. This may interest you more because in this case, your concepts and idea are secured. But here, you need to provide complete theoretical disclosure of your concept. For instance, suppose you have invented a machine, say a product, a chemical equation, or a biological technology. You need to disclose the entire working, component, mechanism, efficiency, advantages that you are procuring using the new product. Complete disclosure regarding the idea needs to be provided to obtain a utility patent. So see, there are basically two categorizations in case of patent. One is the design patent, which helps you to secure rights on a structure of a concept. And second is the utility patent, which allows you to secure rights on entire concept, working, and every other basics of a concept. It is a known fact that more than 90% patents are filed on modifications. So, here is one of the very good illustrations. First, there were landline phones, right? Which was improved into cordless phones. Then, there came up the mobile handsets. Further, it was modified into smartphones, which is used by our generations, right? Then there are so many modifications made where you have tablets, and there are a lot more to see. So here you can see that although this instrument was used for communication, there has been modifications made in the design, the features, and every minor modification made has been applied for patent. So the next question is, so can anything be patented? The answer is yes. Here are examples of few of the very easy patents that has been applied. Do you know, in 2002, a patent was applied only for a method of swinging. The very useful instrument for a woman, that is a safety pin, was applied in the year 1849. The mouse trap, which we have seen multiple designs of, was first invented in the year 1879. Now let's see examples of few of the complex designs of patents. Here, the medical concept of Viagra was first invented in the year 1998. The aeroplane, which we like to travel, was first disclosed by Wright brothers in the year 1906. The air conditions, which we love during the summer weeks, was invented in the year 1902. So, the next question which could arise in your mind is, can anyone file for a patent? Here also the answer is yes. Patent has no restriction of age, qualification or gender. Anybody who has a new idea, concept or design can apply for a patent. Here we can see that the world's youngest patent holder is said to be Sam Horton, who was only 7 years of age when he applied for a design of a broom. And India's youngest patent holder is Rideshwar Bhatti, who was only 9 years of age when he applied for a design of a chessboard. So, what are the points that we need to remember regarding patent? First is that patent can be applied either for a concept or a design. Every country has their own rules and jurisdiction. But remember, patent can only be applied once on this earth. Which actually what they mean to say is that suppose a patent has been invented in China, you cannot say that, hey, let's invent the same thing in India. No, an invention can be made only once, right? You need to remember that obtaining patent right does not provide you the right to manufacture it. Imagine you have a patent of a bomb, does not provide you the right to manufacture it, right? You need to obtain special rights for it. But definitely you can stop anyone from manufacturing it in your own country. Patent has a predefined lifespan. Basically it is of 20 years, but depending upon the type of patent, it can be less. Every individual can file a patent. And believe me, you can even file it without the help of an attorney. So we hope our lecture on patent could have resolved a lot of your queries, but in case you have some more, you can definitely write to us in our comment section. You can chat with us on our website www.mycrave.co.in. You can mail us at info@mycrave.co.in, or you can definitely visit our Facebook page. So if you enjoyed our video today, do like us. If you think it was worth sharing, please do share our video. And to know more regarding IPR or patent, do subscribe to our channel. So till we meet next time, beware and remember, use it before you lose it. Bye.